Introducing Japan Homes, the building company that is dedicated to providing affordable and comfortable homes to Auckland families. Japan Homes is committed to using high-quality materials and construction techniques to ensure that every home we build is not only beautiful but also durable and energy efficient. With a team of experienced designers and builders, Japan Homes works closely with the clients to create custom homes that meet their unique needs and preferences. And because Japan Homes understands the importance of affordability, they offer a wide range of home designs and building options to fit any budget. But don't just take our word for it. Hear from one of our satisfied customers.
We do recommend Japan Homes.
Definitely recommend Japan Homes. 100% would do that. Their honesty would be the biggest factor that we choose them. Everything was clear from the beginning to the end of the construction. Bonus would be that they're so much welcoming to us. They give their time, and they treat us as friends, a friend that would be really happy and satisfied.
So if you're looking for a high-quality, affordable, and comfortable home for your family, look no further than Japan Homes. Contact us today to start building your dream home.